I'm Ari Robinson. I'm from St. Petersburg, Florida, and I am currently working on this installation on the yoga deck for the ARLO Hotel here in Wynwood, Miami. So my artwork is very abstract and colorful. I explore a lot of different color patterns, and a new material I'm working with is acrylic. This transparent, colorful acrylic that we're using on the yoga deck right now. That's really beautiful when the light shines through it. It casts these colored shadows. So when the sun sets on this west side of the building, you'll see that reflected here in this installation. So the main inspiration behind this piece for the ARLO yoga deck was the fact that in this space, people will be doing yoga. So we wanted to do shapes that were soft, no harsh corners, nothing jagged. So we went with these smooth shapes. And I think the transparency of the material really gives that calming effect too. So we stuck with blues. We're here by the ocean. So the neon yellow or green, as if you want to call it that, kind of brings the vibrancy of Miami to the piece too. So you got a mix of the fun and calming that will be going on right here in this space.